Are you tired of that baggy, shapeless shirts? Let me show you how to add diamond-shaped darts, like a waist-fitting darts, for perfect fit. We start by turning the garment inside out, and that is for easy pinning. Identify the bust point, then identify the waist, the upper dart position, and the lower dart position. Then pinch the excess fabric and pin it with straight sewing pins. We're gonna later on measure it to make sure they are quite even and symmetrical. And follow the same process on the back of the garment. Okay, this is good. And now I'm gonna check the measurements, making sure the darts are placed symmetrically. They need to be placed the same distance from the side seam, from the bottom hem up, from the shoulder point down. And I'm using my fabric marking pen. I'm gonna link it in the description box below if anybody's interested in it. So double check the side of the darts, like from the armhole to the middle of the dart. All of it needs to be symmetrical. So make sure the front darts are the same size and the back darts are the same size. Waist-fitting darts are designed to give shape to the blouse or to the shirt. They're not really meant to make the garment smaller. Just keep that in mind. So the darts that I'm working on are an average 1.5 inches. Multiply that by 4 darts. So I'm taking in about 6 inches of excess fabric. This sewing technique can also be used on dresses. Okay, great. Now that I know the starting point of the dart, the middle point of the dart, and the ending point of the dart, I will lay each dart flat on a surface and I'm gonna connect the dots and then pin it with pins for sewing. I will be stitching on my sewing machine with a straight running stitch, medium length stitches. When stitching the dart, make sure to start the stitch with the back stitch and finish the dart with the back stitch as well. Alternatively, you can leave a long tail thread and then tie a knot or double knot to secure the stitch. After the sewing process is done, it's time to open flat each dart and press it down with an iron. And do that for each of the darts, making sure they are nice and crisp and flat. Okay, and this is finished. Let's take a look how it looks. Awesome. That looks great. Okay, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you want to see how to hem pants, click here, and if you want to see how to alter neckline, click over here.